Hey guys, quick video here. I just imported my little robot from our previous ZBrush video into Blender 4.2, and the reason for this video is because I realized in the recent version of Blender 4.2, if you wanted to create something glow, right, it has changed. So usually if I set the render engine to Eve and I go into the render properties, in here there's a bloom button that you turn on and it makes everything glow, right? So in this case, if I select my eyes and go to my materials, you can see that I have the emission turned on and it's kind of quite high, right? It's set to 28. But unfortunately, Eve 4.2 in Blender is not letting me do that. And as you can see, I'm just in the preview mode, right? And that is where I want my glowing to show up. So if that ever happens to you and you are wondering what to do, here's a solution. So check this out. If you select the eyes or whatever you want to make glow, and then you have to jump into something called compositing. Go in here, turn on use nodes, and you will get these two nodes here. Then what you can do is you can press Shift A, go into filters, and in your filters there's going to be something called glare. So go ahead and click on that and then position it right between these two nodes, okay? Once you do that and you go back into the layout, and now the last step to activate our bloom or glowing or emission is to come up here in the top right corner under shading, and right down here it says compositor. Right now it says disabled. I'm going to turn mine on to always. And now you can see I have this beautiful blooming or glowing that you would expect, or that was by default turned on in the previous versions of Blender. So now I can of course control the glow, and I can of course control the color, and that is what I wanted to show you guys. So maybe this is gonna help you as well. And one more tip, I just made actually a short about this, but if you ever want to change the background color in your viewport, and that's also going to be, good way to test the bloom or the glowing. All you need to do is just go to Edit, Preferences, and then go into Themes, go into 3D Viewport, and then you want to scroll all the way down to Theme Space, open that up, and then in the gradient colors, right in here, there's going to be something called Gradient High, and if you click on that, that's going to be your background color. So you can actually change the background color of your viewport. And I like mine kind of dark just so I can play around with the emissions. But anyways, all right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.